Good morning, students. Yesterday I had completed that exercise 1.6. That means what those are problems, practical problems on union and intersection. Practical problems on union and intersection. That means on which formula we solve the questions? Number of A union B is equal to what is that one? Number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Yes or no? So depend upon this formula we solved questions. That means those are the practical problems on union and intersection. Practical problems on union and intersection. And whatever the questions we solved yesterday, whatever the questions you solved from exercise 1.6, what those are? Only two sets only is given. Two sets only is given. Number of A, number of B. That means A union B, A intersection B. Okay, only two sets only is given. If suppose three sets will be given. Three sets will be given. Okay, three sets will be given. Then what are the properties and what are the formulas? Okay, so what is the Venn diagram when three sets will be given? We will see here. Okay, just listen carefully here. Suppose A comma B comma C are any three sets. A, B, C are any three sets. Okay, then what is the Venn diagram of A, B, C here? A, B, C. It is set A, set B, set C. Okay, it is union. Here U is a universal set and A comma B comma C are subsets of U. A is in U only, B also is in U only, C also is in U only. That means A, B, C. All ABs are subsets of U. ABs are subsets of U only. Okay, just observe here. Here it is, what about this one? From this Venn diagram only, I will get all the formulas just to see. So here, what about A union B union C? Number of A union B union C is equal to, what is the formula? Number of A plus number of B plus number of C minus number of A intersection B minus number of B intersection C minus number of A intersection C plus number of A intersection B intersection C. It is the formula. I already explained about this one. Just to see what is the one. Number A union B union is this total. Right? This total combining of set A and set B and set C. All combining of set A and set B and set C. Right? Joining of these three sets. Yes, A, B, C. So how we will write this one? A union B union C. Number of A, all the elements in A plus all the elements in B plus all the elements in C. That means number of A plus number of B plus number of C. When you are adding A, B, C sets, when you are joining A, B, C sets, what will be happening here? See, it is A, right? It is set B, right? When you are adding set A and set B, here this part how many times is given? See, in this set A, one time is coming this part. In this set B, this part also comes second time. So this intersection, what it is? What is this part? A intersection B. In A intersection B, how many times came here? Two times came. But you cannot take two times. You should have take only one time. That is why I am subtracting one time. Okay. When we are adding here, see, C also. C. Number of A plus number of B plus number of C. When we are adding these two sets, this part is coming two times. You have to write only once. One you have to subtract. Okay. When we are adding these two, B and C, see what is that one? This part we are getting two times. B and C. So this part how many times we are getting? Two times we are getting a number. We have to subtract one time. B intersection C. Yes. Minus intersection B intersection C. Right? Minus. Next, when we are adding these two, that means number of A plus number of B plus number of C means this part you will get two times, this intersection you will get two times, this intersection also you will get two times. This part also see A, this part is there, C, this part is there. So this part how many times came? Two times came or not? But no need to take two times. Only should have take once only. That means what about this part? This part. What about this part? It is A intersection B. Okay. What about this part? This shorter part. This shorter part. This one. This shorter part. What is that one? B intersection C. This part is B intersection C. What about this shorter part? What about this shorter part? This one. This one. What is the shorter part? A intersection C. This part is A intersection C. Understand? So this part A intersection B. This part B intersection C. This part A intersection C. And what about this part? See, I will write again here. See, just see this part, this shorter part, this A, B, C. This shorter part A intersection, right? This part, this one, this part, B intersection C. This part, A intersection C. What of this part? This part is in set A, set B, set C also. That means A intersection, B intersection C. This part, this middle part. This middle part is A intersection, B intersection C. Common of three sets. Common elements of three sets, A and B and C. Are you understanding that? Remember this. Okay. So it is about that is why say this part when you are adding number of A plus number of B plus number of C. So this part is given 2 times. So that is why I subtracted 1 time. Okay. This part also came 2 times. I subtracted 1 time. Okay. This part also came. This intersection also came 2 times. I subtracted once. Okay. That means number of A plus number of B plus number of C minus A intersection B minus number of B intersection C minus number of A intersection C. Okay. So when you are subtracting this part, one time, this time, so this part, intersecting part is removed totally. No one time once is there. So that part compulsory should have taken once. That is why I am adding that part plus number of A intersection B intersection C. Okay. So you should have to remember that formula like this. Number of A union B union C. That is joining of all the 3 sets is number of A plus, number of B plus, number of C minus number of A intersection B minus number of B intersection C minus number of A intersection C plus number of A intersection B intersection C. A intersection B intersection C. Remember. Okay. Next. A, B, C. Okay. See. Just observe here. What about this one? It is A. Set A. Set A. Only set A. What about this part? A intersection B. What about this one? Set B. Set B. What about this part? This one. This one and this one. B intersection C. Okay. What about this one? Set C. Right? What about this one? What about this part? This part A intersection C. What about this part? This part. This common part. A intersection B intersection C. A intersection B intersection C. Remember. Okay. In this one, just see. It is set A. It is set A. It is set B. Right? It is set C. Okay. Just observe what about this one? What about this one? Only A. This part. This part. Only you can say only A. This means only A. Okay. This part you can say only A. Only A. This part. That part only B. This one. Okay. This part only C. Are you understanding? It is only A. Only A. This one is only B. This one is only C. Only A, only B, only C. Okay. Only A means how it will be? How can I write that one? It is A, B, C. This one. This is only A. Only A. See, only A or exactly A or A minus B minus C. Difference. A minus B minus C. This part. Only this part. This part. Are you understanding? Listen carefully. What about this one? This part only A. Not A. A means this total. A means this short set. Only A means this part only. Are you understanding? Only A means this part only. Okay. Only A or exactly A or A minus B minus C. You can write like this. Or like this also you can say A intersection B dash intersection C dash. I already explained yesterday some questions. B dash, dash means not happening. C dash means not happening. That means only A. It's not B and not C. Only A and not B and not C. Okay. So these are all the notations of this part only. This part. Okay. Only A. Only A or exactly A. Exactly A or A minus B minus C or A intersection B dash minus C dash. A intersection B dash minus C dash. What is the formula of this one? So this one is equal to, this only A is equal to, just see, this part only how to find, right? To find this part, what I am doing here, this total A, now this total set A, this total, this part you have to find, just see. Right? See, this part only we have to find. This part you have to find. To find this part, what we do? To find this part, what we do? We have to subtract from A, total A minus this intersection part and this intersection. Will you get or not? Will you get this part or not? So this part. You got this part or not? To getting this part, actually it is circle, full circle, right? Yes. So to getting this part, to getting this part, what we have to do? This total circle minus this part and this part. Understand? Then what we get here? Only A we got. Only A part we got. That means what is that one? Total A, number of A minus this intersection part. This intersection part. Right? And this intersection part you have to subtract. What is this intersection part here? This part means A intersection B minus the number of A intersection B minus this part I subtracted. This part also we have to subtract. What is it? A intersection C minus number of A intersection C. But here this part I subtracted 2 times. That value will be goes 2 times. But you cannot remove 2 times. You should have to remove only 1 time. So plus number of A intersection B intersection C. See. This part I removed here. This part also I removed here. That means this intersection part, this intersection part, how many times removed? 2 times removed. From this one 1 time, from this one 1 time, 2 times removed. But you cannot remove 2 times. You should have to remove only 1 time. That is why I added 1 time. Then it is clear. So it is only A part. Only A. Only A means this total set A minus this intersection part and this intersection part plus 1 time of A intersection B intersection C. Okay, next, only B. Only B or only B means this part. This part. Okay, this part. This part only. Okay, this part we have. So how can it is? How can you subtract? So total B. I will draw this one. This part, right? Here, this one and like this. So this part only you have to find. So it is B. To finding this part, what we have to do? To finding this part, what we have to do? To find this part. So this intersection part, we have to remove on that. So that means from where you have to move? From A, from B. That means the number of B, only B or what do you say? Exactly B or it is B minus A minus C or B intersection A dash intersection C dash. B intersection A dash intersection C dash. Okay, and what we can make it is what is the formula? Number of B minus number of B. It is number of B. From this one, what we have to remove? From this total B, what we have to remove? This intersection we have to remove. This intersection means what is that one? Number of A intersection B minus this part also have to. This part means B intersection C minus number of B intersection C plus see this intersection part removed 2 times. So you should have to add 1 time. Number of A intersection B intersection C. Understand? It is only B. It is only B. Only B means B. It is only A means A minus B minus C. This part. Only B means B minus A minus C. Only C. Only C means C minus A minus B. It is sorted from C minus, next only C minus this intersection part and this intersection part. This common part is removed 2 times, so we should have to remove only 1 time, that is why plus we have to add 1 more time. Okay, so next here only C or exactly C or C minus B minus A or C intersection C minus A minus B am taking. Okay, C minus C minus A minus B, or what we can say, C intersection A dash intersection B dash. Okay, only C. Only C means what we can write the formula? Total C minus, that means number of C minus this intersection part. What is that one? B intersection C, number of B intersection C minus number of A intersection C minus number of A intersection C plus number of A intersection B intersection C minus number of A intersection B intersection C. Okay, it is only C formula. Only C. So these are the formulas. Okay, remember. So compulsory little bit confusion will be there, but you should have to understand this one carefully. Okay, one more time I will explain here. Just listen carefully. One more time I will explain. Just see. One more time I will write all the formulas. See. It is set A, set B, set C. Set A, set B, set C. Here it is this part. Only this part. Okay? Only B means this part only. Only this part only you can say is only B. Only C means this part. This part only C. Here, what is the formula here? Number of all formulas are like this. Number of A union B union C is equal to what is the formula? Number of A plus number of B plus number of C minus number of A intersection B minus number of B intersection C minus number of A intersection C plus number of A intersection B intersection C. Okay, next. Let's see. What about this part? This part. Just like that only I will write this part. What is this part? A intersection B. This part A intersection B. What about this part? This part B intersection C. Okay. Next, here we write this. What about this part? Like this I can write, you can understand. What about this part? B intersection C. What about this part? This part A intersection C. Okay, this one A intersection B, this one B intersection C, and this one A intersection C. Okay, remember. Next, what about this part? This one is in set A, set B, set C. That means A intersection B intersection C. This part. What about this one? A intersection B intersection C. A intersection B intersection C. Understand? Yes. So remember. And next. This part. It is circle, right? This part. What about this part? It is here. It is A only. Only A means how can you get this one? See, it is this part only not get that. To getting this part, what we have to subtract here? Number of A, only number of A. From A we have to subtract. From A minus this part you have to subtract. So when you are subtracting this part and this part, so this part is removing 2 times. You should have to remove only 1 time. What are the part? Okay, that is why here only A means what is the formula? Number of A, total circle minus number of, what is this part? A intersection B. minus this part A intersection C, A intersection C plus number of A intersection B intersection C. Understand? So remove means subtracting means removing only. So I remove this part and this part. Yes, what we got? Only A. Only A means this part. Okay? Yes. Next, only B. Only B means it is circle B. In that circle B, what is there? Like this, there nothing. This part only B. Only B. How can I get this only B? Only B means number of B from this total set. What would I remove? This intersection part you have to remove. This intersection part, what is that one? A intersection B. Number of B, total circle minus number of, what is the intersection? This intersection, B intersection C minus this part. This part means, this is not B intersection, first A intersection B. A intersection B minus this part, B, number of B intersection C. That means this part you have to do. So, I mean here this part, this common part. How many times is there? 2 times we remain. So, we have to remove only 1 time. So, I am adding 1 time here. Number of A intersection, B intersection C. Okay, next, only C. It is circle, right? Like this. It is C. Only C means this part only. So, it is C. Only C means total circle, number of C minus C. It is C, right? It is C. C minus B. This intersection part. This intersection B intersection C, A intersection C. What is that? Number of C minus number of B intersection C minus A intersection C. Okay. Plus number of A intersection B intersection C. A intersection B intersection C. It is only C. That means C. It is only A. It is only B. It is only C. Only A, only B, only C. Okay. So separate. Like these formulas, 3 formulas you have to remember. Okay. So it is about only A, only B, only C. In this some more formulas are there, just C. That means these words you have to understand carefully. That meaning you have to understand. Okay. See, only A or exactly A, these are same meaning. Only A or exactly A or A minus B minus C or A intersection B dash intersection C dash. These are all notations of only A, this part. Same like this, only B, exactly B or B minus A minus C or B intersection A dash intersection C dash. That is also. Next, only C or exactly C or C minus A minus B or C intersection A dash intersection B dash. Like this. Okay, remember. These are the notations of only A, only B, only C. Okay, remember. That means here just see, just observe here. First I will explain about two sets. Two sets means what is that one? Here see, set A means who the people takes tea, suppose tea, and who the people takes coffee in set. See what I am saying here, I takes tea. It is the meaning of that one. I can take tea, I can take coffee also. I can take tea and I can take coffee also. Okay, this part also will become, it is tea. Who the people taking tea. Who the people like tea. Who the people like tea. Tea means tea. Okay, coffee. In this set, who are they? Who those are taking tea. And in this set, what are they? Who the people like coffee. Okay. What about this one? Who the people like tea and coffee. Tea and coffee both. Just see. It is intersection. Intersection means some will be interested in taking tea, some will be interested in taking coffee. Both also. Both taking tea and coffee. Somebody will be take tea and coffee. Somebody will be take only tea. Somebody will be take only tea. Somebody will be take only coffee. That means only coffee means those people not interested to take to tea. Only tea means that people only take tea only. They will not take coffee. They will not take coffee. Or one more I will say. Apple juice, orange juice. Apple juice, orange juice. It is this set is who the people likes apple juice. Apple juice. This one who the students or people like orange juice. This one, this common part. Common part means that people will be like apple juice and orange juice both. They will drink apple juice and orange juice both. Okay. So you see, it is apple juice. All the students or people water may be taking apple juice. This one orange juice. What about this part? What about this part? Only apple juice. Who the students are, who the people who likes only apple juice. Only apple juice. That means these students will not drink orange juice. Those will be interested in only apple juice. They are dislike orange juice. Okay, it is the meaning of only apple juice. Only set A. Only set A or only apple juice. Only apple juice means what is that one? It is set A. Set B suppose A minus B. A minus B. A minus B means who the students are likes only apple juice. These people will not drink orange juice. Understand? Next, this one. What it is? It is what it is? Orange juice. Orange juice means some people. That is orange juice. This part also is what? This part also is there means some people may be like apple juice also. Some people may be like apple juice also. But what about this part? This part. What about this part? This part means what is that one? Who the people takes or interest or to drink only orange juice. This part in this part only oranges will drink. They will not drink apple juice. Okay, only orange juice. If you will take apple juice, they will not take. Why? Because they dislike the apple juice. Okay, here this part, who the people takes only apple juice. They will not drink orange juice. Here suppose orange juice, apple juice both are available. Okay, somebody will be take apple juice, somebody will be take orange juice, somebody will be take both. But somebody will be take only apple juice. They will not go to orange juice. Somebody will be take only orange juice. They will not go to apple juice. Like that. That means that is called only apple juice. This part. Only apple juice. Okay. Only apple juice means they will not take orange juice. That is the meaning of that one. Only A. Okay. This part means only orange juice. Only orange juice. Only orange juice means they will not take apple juice. Only orange juice only will take. Here suppose apple juice is there, orange juice is there. I take only apple juice. Can we take orange juice? No. Suppose here only orange juice only available is there. Apple juice is not there. Okay, here apple juice is available. Orange juice is there. So can I take orange juice? No, I will not take orange juice. I like only apple juice. If it is there, I will take. Otherwise, I will not take. If any drink will be there, I will not take. That is the meaning of only. That is the meaning of only. Are you understanding or not? Just to see. Suppose actually I like apple juice. I like only apple juice. I will drink only apple juice. Suppose I went to one shop. I asked to that shopkeeper just to give one cup of apple juice. They said that so here there is no apple juice, only orange juice only available. He said, can I drink orange juice? Can I drink? No, I will not drink. Why? Because I dislike the orange juice. Okay, that is why I will not take orange juice. If apple juice is there, I will take. If apple juice is not there, I will not go for other drinks. I will not go for orange or whatever juice. I take only apple juice. That is the meaning of this part. What about this part? I will take only orange juice. I will not take apple juice. What about this part? Some will be taking apple juice and orange juice. What about this part of full circle? Full circle. Full circle means somebody is there, only apple juice, somebody is there, apple and orange juice also. Are you understanding or not? See, so there is so much of difference for this one, for this one. Here what is that one? I take apple juice. I take apple juice. I take apple juice means I will take suppose here some more part, one more part is there not. This part is orange juice part. I will take orange juice also. I take apple juice means it is not the meaning that I will not take orange juice. If suppose myself here apple juice is there, orange juice is not there. Suppose orange juice is there, apple juice is not there. Okay, this total circle meaning. Suppose I went to there. And then I see apple juice is not there, orange juice is there. Yes, I will take orange juice also. Actually, I like apple juice, but I will take orange juice also. That means both I can take here. Somebody will be there, both apple juice, orange juice. Apple juice and orange juice both will take. Apple juice and orange juice both will take. Are you understanding or not? Yes. So here I take apple juice. This total set is meaning apple juice. Apple juice. Apple juice means somebody will be take apple juice. Somebody will be take apple juice and this part, orange juice part also, common part. Okay, what about this part? This part means I will take only apple juice. Okay, only I will take apple juice. That is the meaning of this one. So this difference you should have to understand properly. Okay, difference you should have to understand properly. Okay, so just see. It is apple juice. Apple juice means apple juice I will take. Okay, here orange juice. Apple juice, orange juice. It is apple juice. In this apple juice, I take apple juice. That means I take apple juice means here in this total set A. So here somebody, I can take in this set A, apple juice I will take and somebody will be there taking orange juice or not. Orange juice also are there. But what about this part? This part. In this part who are they? In this part who are they? Only apple juice. They will not take orange juice. Okay. What about this part? This part means some people are there taking orange juice and apple juice also in this circle. Why? Because this part is there in the Karnataka. This common part is there, apple juice, orange part is there. So orange juice means I will take orange juice as well as somebody will be, I will take an orange juice or apple juice, both. Only what about this part? What about this part? Only orange. Only orange juice. That means in this part only orange juice people will be there. Who likes orange juice? Those only. Here only apple juice like people only will be there. Here what will be there? Here what will be there? Orange juice interesting people are there. Apple juice interesting people are also there. Here what will be there? Orange juice interesting people are there. Apple juice interesting people are also there. Here what is there? Here both apple juice and orange juice. Here what is that one? Only apple juice. Here only apple juice. Here only orange juice. Okay, that is the meaning of this one. Okay, remember carefully. So same like this one also. If 3 circles will be taken, it is A. Suppose see, this is also I am taking. Here see, apple juice, orange juice. Here banana juice or grape juice. Grape juice. Just see here. What is that one? Who the students are taking apple juice, like apple juice. Okay, what about this one? Who the students are taking orange juice. What about this one? Who the students are taking grape juice. Okay, just observe here. In this apple juice, who are there? What about this one? Orange juice people are there. In this A, orange juice people are there and grapes also are there. In A, in this set, what is there? In this set, who are there? Who the people are taking apple juice, orange juice and grape juice also are there. Okay, what about this one? Who the students are taking apple juice and orange juice only. What about this one? Who the students are taking apple juice and grape juice only. What about this one? Who the people are taking orange juice and grape juice. Just see. What about this part? What about this part? Who the students are taking only apple juice. Who the students are taking only apple juice. What about this one? Who the students are taking only orange juice. Okay. What about this one? Who the students are taking only grape juice. Just what about here? In this intersection part. Who the students are taking orange juice and apple juice. Orange juice and apple juice. What about this part? Who the students are taking apple juice and orange juice only. Okay, this part. What about this part? Who the students are taking apple juice and orange juice only. Here if you take this part, in this part what is there? Orange people are grape juice taking people are there or not? Here this part, who are there? In this total part, apple juice, orange juice are there, and here what is this part? In this one, this part also coming, grape juice part also coming. Okay, so then in this what is there? Apple juice, orange juice, grape juice also people are there. If suppose this is gonna remove only this part, what is this part? Who the students are taking only apple juice and orange juice only. That students only drink apple juice and orange juice only. They will not drink grape juice. Okay. What about this one? This part. Who the students are taking orange juice, grape juice and the apple juice also. Who the students are taking orange juice, grape juice, and this part is there from this also, apple juice also. But what about this part? Only orange juice and grape juice only. Who the students are taking only orange juice and grape juice. They will not take apple juice. Okay. So what about this one? Who the students are taking apple juice and grape juice. So from orange also they will take. From orange also they will take. Just what is the meaning of this one here? What are this part? The students who are taking apple juice and grape juice. Some will be there orange juice also. That means 3 will be interested. Okay. So what are this part? Who the students likes or drink only apple juice and grape juice. This part only apple juice and grape juice. What of this part? This part means all. Who the students are taking all the juices. All the juices means apple juice, orange juice, grape juice. 3. Apple juice, orange juice, grape juice. 3 will be taken. Understanding or not? Listen carefully. One more time I am going to explain here. See this one. It is only this part only. Okay. This part this set A, set B, set C. Only B. Okay. This part only C. What about this one? A intersection B. A intersection B. Okay. What about this part? Only A intersection B. Only A intersection B. This total part A intersection B. See, it is A intersection B. Only this part, half part only. This half part only. This part only. What about this one? Only A intersection B. That means this common part will not come. Okay. Next. What about this part? B intersection C. What is it? B intersection C. Only the half part. This part is there. No? This part. This common part remove that. This part only. This part. What it is? Only B and C. Only B intersection C. Okay. Next. This one. What about this one? A intersection C. This part. A intersection C. Okay. This part A intersection C. What about this part? Only this part. This part is only A intersection C. What is that one? This part. Right? Only A intersection C. What about this part? Like this part. What about this one? A intersection B intersection C. A intersection B intersection C. So it is about A intersection B, only A intersection B. B intersection C, only B intersection C. A intersection C, only A intersection C. Okay. So these parts are. It is this part only A. It is only B. Right? It is only C. This one only A intersection B. This one only B intersection C. This one only A intersection C. Okay? Understand carefully this one. This part is A intersection B intersection C. A intersection B intersection C. If you understand properly these diagrams, then you can solve easily the questions. Okay? See here. I will note it here. See. It is set A, set B, set C. Okay. Here what about this one? Only A. What about this one? Only C. What about this one? Only B. What about this total? This total A intersection B. Right? Here I am writing A. It is A intersection B intersection C. It is total A intersection B. What about this part? This one. Only A intersection B. What about this part? Only B intersection C. What about this part? Only A intersection C. Okay. So remember this one. If you understand this one, then these problems will be very easy to solve. Okay. And one more topic is there here. A small topic is there. I will also that one. Just to see. See, suppose U is universal set and A comma B are any two subsets of U. U means what I take? For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 I am taking. Set A is equal to 1, 3, 5. B is equal to 2, 4, 6. Find A union B. What is A union B? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or not? Yes. Just observe carefully. Here A union B set is equal to U or not? A union B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So set A union B is equal to U or not? Equal to U you got. Okay, that means number of A union B is equal to number of U. Number of A union B, number of U, both are equal sets here. Right? Just see here. Set U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only, and set A is equal to 1, 3, 5. Set B is equal to 2, 4 only. 2, 4. What is A union B here? A union B. A union B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means what is that? Is it equal to U? The 6 also is there. It is not equal to U. What is that one? Number of U is equal to 6. Here, just see. Here, A union B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it subset of U or not? Subset of U. Here also is it subset of U or not? Why? Because same A union B you got same set. Same set is subset of itself or not? Itself. Here what is that one? A union B is subset of U, but that is equal. Okay. Here what will be? A union B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is subset of U or not? Subset of proper subset here. Why? Because the total 6 elements is there. Only here 5 elements only is there. So A union B is also subset of U only. Okay. Here proper subset it is. And what about this one? Number of A union B? Number of A union B. How many elements are there in A union B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And is less than number of U or not? Number of A union B is less than number of U or not? Number of U, how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of A union B, how many is there? 5 is there not? So number of A union B is less than number of U. From this example. From this example, what we get here? Number of A union B is equal to number of U got. That means what the meaning of this one? A union B, you will get the maximum elements is equal to elements in U. In A union B, you will get maximum elements. So how many maximum elements you will get? That is equal to set U only. That means A and B are any subsets of U. A and B are any subsets of U. How many maximum elements you will get in A union B? That is equal to number of elements in U. That is equal to number of elements in U. Number of elements in U is equal to number of A union B means both are equal. We got means what is that one? A union B means maximum equal to U only. That means the maximum number of elements in A union B is equal to nothing but elements in U. Maximum element. Okay. And or maybe equal to U will be or less than U also. Maybe equal to U or less than U. Just observe here. Now A union B, how many elements you got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 you got. So number of elements of A union B is less than number of A lot. Then here equal to U you got. That means what is the meaning of this one here? Always number of A union B. Number of A union B may be less than or equal to number of A. Number of A union B maximum elements is equal to U or may be less than U. But number of A and B does not exceed the set U. Number of elements in A and B does not exceed the number of elements in U. Are you understanding or not? Why? Because U is the universal set. That is the biggest set for these two sets. Okay. If you find A and B, compulsory what we have to get? A union B elements must be less than U or equal to U. Less than U or equal to U. In A union B, maximum how many elements you will get? That is equal to number of elements of U. Okay. In set A union B, in set A union B, maximum how many elements you will get? Maximum how many elements you will get? Equal to number of elements of U. Maybe less than U. But A union B elements does not exceed U. That means A union B elements you cannot get more than U. A union B elements you cannot get more than U. Are you understanding or not? You cannot get more than U. Maximum A union B always must be subset of U only. A union B always must be subset of U. Okay. Just remember this concept. See, U is a set. A and B are subsets of U. Whenever you will find A union B always subset of U only. A union B always subset of U only. The maximum number of elements in A union B is equal to U only. Okay, or maybe less than U only. That means what is the number of A union B may be less than or equal to U. A union B elements does not exceed elements in U. Does not exceed elements in U. Okay, remember, number of A union B, all elements in A union B may be equal to number of U or may be less than number of U. Okay, but it not exceed. It is not, does not more than U. More than U. Okay, remember. So these concepts you have to remember. Tomorrow onwards I will explain some questions on these Venn diagrams of three sides. Okay, thank you.